Hello, this is John with Heartland Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the payroll summary report. This is where you're going to want to go if you want to see, based on an individual basis, how many hours they had, how many overtime hours. You can also see what their tips were on this report as well. So I am on the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. Then I went to the menu icon here at the top left, and then I went to reports. And I'm on the payroll summary report. Now, most of these reports here are available on the workstation as well. All you have to do is sign into the workstation, go to the menu icon at the top right, and then go to reports, and all your reports will show up on the left-hand side just like it does on the admin portal. As usual, there's an export option up here at the top right. You can export to PDF or CSV if you'd like, or you can choose to print it. Over here we have the date range. So you can use these arrows here on the side to go day to day, or you can select the date range here in the middle and it will pull up your calendar. And you can use the calendar to either choose individual days, or you can use these quick select buttons here if you just want to see last month or last week. You can hit those and it'll take you there quicker. Now if I just want to choose one day, say the 2nd, and I hit 2nd, I hit run. I don't have any data in there for today, but if I want to choose a date range, like a custom date range, for example, if I want to do year to date, I can go to January, click on January 1st, and then go to where I want that date range to end, and click on that. And it'll show you the date range up here. You can hit run. It will give you all the information for that. Now in this demo account here, I've only got two hourly employees in here, so they're only going to show up. So it does show their names. It shows individual employees instead of by a group. But if you did want to see something based on a group, you could throw in job details, and then you could sort by job type and then kind of separate the groups a little bit that way. Otherwise, we'll toggle that back off. And then it's going to show you regular hours, the regular pay for that, and then overtime hours and the overtime pay, and then it gives you your grand totals. Now you can filter by staff here if you just want to filter to one individual person. And then there's also a toggle here to show tips and sales detail. So if we turn that on, you notice it gives us several more fields of information here. Now we've got tips cash, tips payroll. So if you're doing payroll, this is where you'd probably want to go to see how much you owe each individual. And then total tips, tip percentage here. So it gives you a lot of information to do with the tips. So if you are doing some kind of like tips on payroll instead of tips at the end of the day or end of the shift, this would be a great place to go. Or if you're just wanting to help your employees document this, you can go here as well. Not a whole lot of interaction here. In fact, I can't interact with anything on here. It looks like I can just sort. That's about it. So, well, that's all I got for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.